day. Thank you for your time today. I'll be conducting an interview about events management. But before we proceed, can you introduce yourself and tell us about your job and what part you play in handling events management?
Thank you for that question. My name is Brian Joseph Endelian and I'm a social media manager. And I have a 1-year experience for that job, and my department was a event coordinator.
So I'll give you an interview question for event manager and coordinator, since you said that you are coordinator in events management. So for the first question, can you walk me through your experiences in planning and managing events?
Okay, thank you for that question. Before mag-start ang event, nagkakaroon kasi kami ng store opening, then lalakad na sa marketing manager namin, then doon nalalabas yung budgeting, then collateral, and online mall posting, then ako ang nakatawa as a designer.
Thank you. For the second question, can you provide an example of a challenging event you manage and how you address any obstacles or issues that arose?
Okay. Siguro may one time kasi kaming event, nangyari, then sira ang tech namin and TV. So, during event yun, bali ang nangyari, naghanap kami mismo sa mall na pwedeng mahiraman. Then, nakahiram naman kami and natapos din namin yung event ng walang palya. And okay naman yung nangyari, successful naman.
So, for the third question, how do you ensure effective communication and collaboration among team members, clients, vendors, and other stakeholders during the event planning process?
Every time may ganyan kasi kami, may mga designated na job na binibigay sa amin. Halimbawa ako, nakatawa na ako sa designer sa mga collaterals, invitation, mall posting, tapos sa ibang team ko naman, may mga na rin na gawain.
So, thank you. For the fourth question, what strategies do you use to stay organized and manage multiple events simultaneously?
Siguro, nung nakaraang month kasi, siguro nitong March, meron kami sa isang buwan 11 events. Pace by pace namin ginagawa. Hindi namin siya tinitignan mismo sa calendar na para hindi rin kami mahirapan. Then, pace by pace, para isa-isa lang matapos. Then, hindi namin iniisip kung madami ba yan or para hindi kami ma-overwhelm lang.
For the last question, how do you assess the success of an event? And what measure do you take to evaluate its effectiveness?
During event kasi, yung mall management is nanonood sa amin. Bali, doon kami nakakakuha ng feedback kung successful ba event or hindi. Then, nandun rin yung boss namin na nanonood during event. Then, nakakakuha naman kami ng mga good and positive comments na okay, good job yung nagawa nyo. Naitawid nyo na maayos yung event na yun from start to end.
That brings us the end of our interview. It was great to learn more about your experience and approach about events management. And it surely helped me throughout my study about this course. Thank you again for taking your time and have a great day.
Thank you.
We can see that the interviewee has established and has grown in being hands-on events coordinator. They have enough knowledge with their designated works. That's why they can face setbacks and solve them confidently. The feedback they obtain are mostly recommendation from the mall's manager and guest that indicates that the job's well done. And the event management has been very effective. The use of Gantt chart is introduced for the organization of schedule to minimize conflicts of events and or load of work. That's all.